Well, hey there, babies. Come on in this kitchen with Nana today. I'm fixing to bake something sweet for the family. And while we mix up this cake, we're going to mix up a little life lesson too. Today's pearl: respect. Not earned, but rightfully given. Now let's get into it. Step 1. Flour, the foundation. Respect is the foundation, baby. It comes first, just like flour. Before you know a person, before you agree with them, you honor them as a child of God. Step 2. Sugar, kindness. Sugar don't ask the flour if it deserves to be sweet. It just sweetens. Respect without kindness is dry. A little sweetness goes a long way in this world. Step 3. Eggs. Unity and understanding. Eggs hold everything together. Respect does too. It unifies, it strengthens, it keeps relationships from falling apart. Step 4. Butter. Self-respect. This butter right here, that's how you treat yourself. Because, baby, if you don't respect you, you melt under people's expectations. You show folks how to treat you by how you treat yourself. Step 5. Vanilla. Your essence. Vanilla is your soul, the part God handcrafted. Respect folks because they got a soul too, even when they ain't acting sweet. Step 6. Salt, honesty, and accountability. Salt keeps the cake honest. Respect isn't blind. It tells the truth, but with love, not with a heavy hand. Step 7. Now, mixing. First, you have to start with your dry ingredients. Remember, the foundation. That's home where you and your family practice with each other, where every lesson is perfected before you go outside. If you don't respect those in the household where you lay your head, well, I don't think I need to go more on that. We all know how that can go, right? Then you add the dry with the wet ingredients. That gets you your batter. Make sure you taste it now. Batter should be the better part of the mixin', should make you want to lick the spoon. Now look at that, my babies. By themselves, none of these ingredients could make a thing, but together, they become something beautiful. Respect works the same way. Dignity, kindness, unity, self-worth, honesty, compassion, mixed together in one heart. Step 8. Pouring the batter. Respect is not conditional. It honors the God inside every person. Step 9. The baking moment. Now, while this cake rises, I want your understanding to rise too. Respect ain't a prize, ain't a negotiation, ain't something you give only to folks who look like you, talk like you, or think like you. Respect is rightfully given because they belong to God, just like you do. Step 10. Icing the cake. All right now, let's see what we've got. Ooh, baby, look at that. See what happens when everything comes together? Respect works just the same way. When we mix God's ingredients right, the result is something sweet. Now this icing right here, this is grace. Grace smooths out the rough edges, covers what's uneven, pulls everything together in beauty. Without grace, the cake is still good, but it ain't finished. Grace completes us. Grace completes respect. Step 11. Here's the final reveal. Oh, look at this masterpiece right here. Every ingredient had its purpose, its place, its reason, just like every person God created. When we lead with respect, when we season it with kindness, and finish it with grace, the end result is always beautiful. Finally, listen, my babies, respect yourself, respect others, respect every child of God, from the youngest to the oldest, from every walk of life, every culture, every shade and story. Respect should flow freely, not earned, but rightfully given. Now come on, let's sit down together and enjoy this sweet creation. And let's think about the sweetness we could bring into this world just by showing each other a little more respect. And remember to be and stay blessed. Love ya. Bye.